Hello students, today we are going to start your next chapter. It's chapter 14, a trip to Buenos Aires. What is that? That's an accordion, Sammy. Do you know how to play it? I'm learning. I have a very good teacher. He's from Buenos Aires. Where's Buenos Aires, Mike? It's the capital of Argentina. Sounds like an interesting place. It is. Let's read more about it. Noor liked at her watch. It was the last period when the hands of her watch were moving agonizingly, slowly. Finally, the bell rang and Noor bounded out of class. She couldn't wait to get home. She's almost finished packing for the family's big trip for Buenos Aires. And on the eve of the holiday, the excitement was too much for her. As she was walking towards where the school buses were parked, she nearly bumped into the classmate Rachit. That means Noor और उसके पेरेंट्स जो थे वो ब्रूनो एरिस के लिए बिग ट्रिप के लिए ready थे. They have completed their packing and now Noor was going home from her school. Hola Noor, ¿cómo está? Rachit said to her, putting his hand out to steady her. Oops, being gracious, lowering toe, Noor replied. Nah, that's okay. Where are you off to in such a hurry? Rachit asked. Don't you remember? I fly tomorrow. Noor told him, smiling broadly. Oh, that's right. Rachit slapped his forehead. I've forgotten that. Rachit and Noor took Spanish together. While some students opted for French and some for German, they had decided to take Spanish. Noor had family living in Buenos Aires. The capital of Argentina, and that was one of the reasons she was motivated to take Spanish. She had never been to Argentina, but she would be visiting her cousins that summer. She was really excited about the trip. Noor knew that Rachit had been to Buenos Aires with his parents the previous year. I'm so excited. नूर इस बार अपने कज़न्स के साथ अर्जेंटीना जाकर समर सीजन्स में रहने वाली थी. इसीलिए और रचित उसका फ्रेंड पिछले साल ही अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ ब्रूनोस एरिस होकर आया था. अब नूर जो थी वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड थी अपनी ट्रिप को लेकर. आई एम सो एक्साइटेड, शी सेड. आई नो यू हैड एन अमेजिंग टाइम व्हेन यू वेंट there last summer. Rachit laughed. I'm saving hard so that I can go back there again soon as possible. So tell me, what places should I visit when we were there? Noor asked. If you want to shop, and I know you love to shop, don't forget to go to the flea market at Plaza Doringo on Sunday, Rachit said. You can find great treasures and some really good bargains there. Plaza Dorrego is one of the trendiest places of Buenos Aires. It is the second oldest plaza in Buenos Aires after Plaza de Mayo. Really? Noor said. Yes, they have some really nice cafe there. Rachit continued, and the flea market will surprise you. Where else do you think you could get an accordion at the street market? I'll get one for you. No, they also have tango dancing in the streets there. Noor asked, giggling. Oh yes, they do, Rachit said. Wow, Noor, said in surprise. Yes, every Sunday after the flea market finishes in the evening, they have tango dancing in the plaza. Rachit told Noor. Watching at her, smile got bigger. I better not tell my sister, Noor said. Ever since this trip was planned, she had been dreaming about being swept off her feet by the handsome Tangurio. Maybe you could take lessons and regard a Tangurio yourself, Rachit said, laughing. Now, Noor and Rachit were discussing about the नूर और रचित जो हैं वो वहाँ की चीज़ों के बारे में डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. रचित क्योंकि पिछले साल ही वहाँ से होकर आया है, इसीलिए नूर उसके बारे में, अर्जेंटीना के बारे में काफ़ी कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन ले रही है. We'll see about that, Noor replied with a laugh. So that takes care of shopping and dancing. What about other things like sightseeing? अब नूर साइट सीइंग के बारे में उससे पूछ रही है. Rachit thought for a moment. You must visit La Boca. It's one of the most colorful and vibrant places in the world. The buildings there are painted orange, red, yellow and other bright colors. That I definitely need to see, Noor said. नूर ने कहा कि अब वो ये बिल्डिंग्स देखने ज़रूर जाएगी. Yes, make sure you talk to the locals, Rachit continued. Put your Spanish lessons to use. La Boca may be famous all over the world, but it's still a working class neighborhood. Oh, I almost forgot. La Boca also has one of the most famous football stadium in the world, La Bombonera. You must visit it. If there's a match on, then you may even get to see a Maradona there. I need to tell Dad about La Bombonera, Noor said. He's mad about Maradona and getting to see Maradona with the flesh would make him so happy. What other places should I visit? You should visit Cementerio de la Recoleta, Rachit told Noor. A cemetery? Noor replied, surprised. What is a cemetery? With its marble and granite mausoleum, the Cementerio de la Ricota is one of the biggest tourist attraction in Buenos Aires, Rachit said. People come from all over the world to see its architecture. Many famous people are buried in it. But people mainly come there to see the grave of Maria Eva Dorothy de Perón. Ah, Eva Perón, Noor said. I have heard about her. She was the first lady, right? Right, Rachit said. She was the wife of Argentina President Juan Perón. She worked for the welfare of the poor and for women's rights. She passed away in 1952 and was interred at the Cementerio de la Recoleta. There was a Broadway musical on her life, which was later turned into a film. Now, अब इस पूरे ही चैप्टर में नूर और रचित दोनों एक दूसरे की चीज़ों के बारे में डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. जो कुछ भी रचित ने वहाँ देखा और एक्सपीरियंस किया, वो सारी चीज़ें वो उसको नूर को बता रहा है ताकि वो भी वहाँ जाकर उन सब चीज़ों को देखकर अपनी ट्रिप को एंजॉय कर सके. I'll make sure to watch the film before the trip, Noor said. Rachit nodded. She was a remarkable woman. Okay, Noor, my bus is about to leave. Make sure you take plenty of photos, Rachit said, throwing his bag over his shoulder. Sure, Noor replied. Gracious, Rachit. No problem, Noor, Rachit replied, waving as he walked away. Noor picked her bag up and walked out of the school gates towards her bus, mentally making a note of all the things that Rachit had told her. She was so excited about the journey that awaited her. This was the chapter. Question answers will be given to you afterwards. Thank you.